Alrighty, now that we've got our sheet pan covered in our tortillas, we're just adding in some hot country sausage that we did pre-cook here. Now I've got about 10 eggs. You can use 12 or whatever you like. I'm gonna add some garlic to this. We just only had 10. Some onion powder. Ooh, this smells so good already. And we're using the hot sausage, but you can always do mild if you're more of a mild sausage kind of guy or gal. All right, this is starting to look so good. Just a touch of salt. Perfect. All right, I've got my little egg whipper here. Now, a dozen eggs would be perfect. Like I said, we're using 10 because that's what we had. You could do a little more, a little less. It's totally up to you and the size of your pan. We're using a sheet pan size today, but you could do this in a 13 by 9 casserole or whatever is handy. Beautiful. Just pouring our eggs right on top of our sausage here. Ooh, you guys, this is gonna be an absolute breakfast of champions. All right, we're coming in with some Mexican style cheese blend here now. I'm using the rustic cut. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. You can use rustic or finely shredded. You can shred your own. Mexican blend is probably my second favorite cheese next to like Colby Jack. Ooh. All right, this is looking so good already. Now I've got some Southwestern style hash browns, and I felt like this kind of went with our Mexican blend. So I am just grabbing these up with my little scooper here and making some little scoops to go across. Now, you could use, the home style potatoes if you preferred. You could use some other style of hash brown, but I just thought Mexican blend, hot sausage, just would be super, super tasty. And these were not frozen. These are a refrigerated kind, the Simply Potatoes Southwest hash browns. So I'll let you know how these come out, but we love that they're not frozen. Take a little less time to cook when you're hungry. All right, we are almost perfectly done with our championship breakfast. Oh, it looks so good. Alrighty, I'm just gonna add some tortillas right to the top here, and we'll start folding in our little butter babies. That's what I like to call a yummy, yummy butter sealed tortilla, is a butter baby. And they are just one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Oh my God, look how good this looks. Okay guys, I'm popping this in my oven. We're gonna do 350 for about 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, it was about 25 minutes in the oven. Doesn't this look divine? I am so, so excited here. Oh my goodness, I gotta get myself a piece of this. Ooh, I knew that was gonna just be perfect. The crunchy tortillas, because of all that butter we soaked them in. Let me pull this piece up. Oh, perfect. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's like a Southwest, a little bit of a nod to a Mexican. I'm gonna put some salsa right on top. This is a medium salsa. You use whatever kind you like. Just a dollop of sour cream here. Perfect. All right, let me get in and get a bite. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. You guys, this is divine. So easy. Perfect for your next family get together. You gotta try it.